All right, today we are going to be multiplying square roots. We're still simplifying them, but now you're going to have two radicals that you are going to multiply together. So the easiest way to be able to do that is actually multiply the numbers together. If the radical is common between the two numbers, you can just multiply them together. So 2 times 24 is 48. And then this is going to turn into problems from last week of just simplifying it. So breaking that apart, let's do 6 and 8. Breaking the 6 down, you get 2 and 3. Breaking the 8 down, you get 4 and 2. Then the 4 can go down to 2 and 2. Same concept as before. Circle your pairs. And I'm going to write the 2. Circle your pair again. I have another pair of 2s. I'm going to write the 2. And then that 3 I'm going to box and put in the parenthesis. So you end up getting 4 square root of 3. Okay, next example is the square root of 5 times the square root of 35. So if you multiply those together, you get 175. So you should have the square root of 175. Okay, now breaking that apart, let's do 25. 25 times 7 is 175. Break the 25 apart and you get 5 and 5. And then you can't do anything with the 7. So I'm going to circle the 5s because those are my pair. And I got 5. I'm going to box the 7 in and rewrite the 7. So your answer should be 5 square root of 7. Okay, in the next example, I have square root of 6 times square root of 3. Multiply those together. You get the square root of 18. Breaking apart the square root of 18, and you should get, let's do 9 and 2, 3 and 3. So then you can do 3 and 2. Okay, number 6 is the square root of 5 times the square root of 12. And that ends up being the square root of 60. So breaking that apart, let's go ahead and do 4 and 15. The 4s break down to 2 and 2. 15, you can't do anything else with it. So I have 2 square root of 15. Okay, number 7, you have 2 times 14, which is the square root of 28. Then let's say 4 and 7. And you get 2 and 2. Circle the 2s. You get 2 square root of 7.